To make your Renaissance video, you're going to use Time Warp Scan on the TikTok app. Once you use your video, you're going to screenshot the video. After you take your screenshot, you're going to go to PicsArt, and then you're going to go to the picture that you took a screenshot of, and you're going to cut yourself out. Once you cut yourself out, you're going to save that, then go to Create. Next, you're going to go into stickers and type in Renaissance, add your background, and add your cutout of yourself, and also add all the different other stickers that you want to make your Renaissance video. You're finished creating your Renaissance creation, crop it out and save it. Next, you're going to go to the filters, you're going to go to magic, and then you're going to go to feast, and then you're going to go and adjust the hues however you want it. Next, you're going to go to the paper filter and choose the first one, and then you're going to adjust the hues however you want. And save it. You're going to go to Video Leap, add your picture first. Then after you add your picture, go to Mixer and then add the video. Next, you're going to look at the opacity and make sure they are lined up and even. The picture is even with the video. Next, you're going to go to Mask and you're going to press Linear. What you're going to do is match the red line up with the blue line. Once you have them line up together, add a diamond right there in the right side corner. Once that red line is lined up with the blue line, you're going to go all the way to the end of the video. And then once you go all the way to the end of the video, you're going to line that red line, that same red line, with the blue line at the end of the video. Once that's lined up, you add another diamond in order for it to be connected with the blue line, so that way it can transition into the Renaissance video that you're achieving. Once you have that set up, you can line it up however you want it. If you want it real clean and crisp with the line so you won't have to see the blue line or whatever, you can play with it and do what you got to do in order to get the Renaissance look. But thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, just comment below, DM me, or whatever you need to do. Thank you.